Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you the first set of Chinese sound syllable called Zhuyin. Zhuyin syllables are used to show how Chinese sounds are pronounced, just like letter in English. Today we will only learn four of them: b, p, m, f. A gentle b. How to say it? The first one is b, and its sound is close to the English b. So the tip is use your lips first, then open them gently. Practice. Repeat after me. B. And the second one is p, similar to the English p, but with more air. The tip is choose your lips and release more air. P, the strong P. P. Repeat after me. P. The third one is more similar to the English M. M. Um, so keep your lips closed and let the sound come from your nose. Practice. Repeat after me. M. The last one is F, similar to the English F. Gently place your top teeth on your lower lips and blow air out. Practice. F. Repeat after me. F. Yeah, the summary. Today we learned four syllables: b, p, m, f. Their sounds are very similar to English, but the amount of the air is different. Practice a few more times and your Chinese pronunciation will keep improving.